Presenting the 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are forward collision mitigation, GT Touring Package, Interior Package, Multi-View Camera System, Protection Package, Towing Package, 9 speakers, Radio Data System, Air Conditioning and Automatic Temperature Control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.